where obviously you've got all the leaves, all the dirt, the silt and everything else that's coming out the plant beds straight onto the ground. It sits right here, makes it incredibly difficult. We've got sand all over the place, all over the bays. We've got lots of moss, mold, all sorts of things. These bays, not major issue, they're just gone. So they've not lined up side to side, but like this is how far out. So you want to go on a straight line. Let me zoom in, I'll show you here. So straight from this bay, and what we've done is we've done a string line straight down the middle. I don't know if you can see, it's very faint. You can just see the green chalk on the ground. Straight across the car park. And then it comes, and it's supposed to join here, and that's where the chalk is. It's like, that's your 4-inch, and it's another 3 inches this side to get to it straight. And then it comes all the way to the back. And then this side, you'll see the line goes to like 2-3 inches in the middle, chalk on the right hand side. And then out here, it's coming to like 5 inches, and the chalk's this side. And the back, it's like, can't even open my hand wide enough. It's gonna be at least 6 inches, but it's miles off. And that's happened in a few places on this car park. So, a little bit of a challenge, but hey, all good. That is what we've got a line mark. Yeah, that's never going to work out. So this is the parking area looking a little bit more complete. So all these bays are in over this side, and the same over here. Parking spaces all installed, running all the way down. So yeah, not a bad job. I think all in it's been about an hour to get everything installed. That's to clean down, restring line, yeah, spray and bead everything. Pretty much done. So we're on to the next car park, hour into the day. Let's do it.